Hi, I'm Vicki from Be Humble with Me, and this morning I just wanted to do a quick video because I just received this yarn yesterday from Premier Yarns. It is the Bobbin the Nighttime, and each color is 181 yards. Comes out to 550 yards, I believe, but I'm going to be making the symmetric poncho, and I ordered 3 of these just to be on the safe side, but if I have some left, it'd make a lovely hat or a scarf. And I also have the Softie for a hat that I'm going to make that has, some lace pattern in it. And I also, these are all my fall projects. I'm so excited. And I'm going to be making the block blanket wrap. The patterns are free. I'm going to make the symmetric poncho. It's a gray lace hat, and the block blanket wrap. And the colors in the blanket wrap are these, the white. And I had 3 of the grays, and I just love how these are set up. You pull this, it says punch here, and the way that this, I'm sorry, I have to keep moving my phone like this, but they've got them all set up for you in this right here. You could use 2 colors if you want. You could use 3 colors if you want. But I cannot wait to see how this poncho turns out. And I wanted to come on here and just brag on Premier Yarns. They have great prices. I cannot say enough about them. And I actually placed 2 separate orders one night when I was doing my online shopping for yarn, and I had emailed them and I told them I placed 2 orders. Would it be possible for me to have them combined so I don't have to pay shipping twice? They refunded $9 twice to my account, and I'm so pleased with Premier Yarns. I can't get on here and say enough about it, and I will, keep you updated on my process as I'm knitting. And I'm just so happy to come on here and tell other knitters and crocheters about this yarn. I shop online a lot for yarn. There's only one local yarn store here. At times I'm pleased with my yarn, and at times I'm not. I'm so happy and pleased with this. I can't say enough about it. I haven't been on in a while. I'm going to hopefully get back to it, and please like and subscribe, and thank you for visiting my channel here at Be Humble with Me. I'm Vicki, and you have a wonderful and blessed day. And I have a shawl I'm going to finish, and then I'm getting started on these. So if you're a knitter or crocheter, have a great day doing it. Bye-bye.